Hey, good Thursday morning, everyone. I'm in full geek mode today. We got the Star Trek shirt on and everything. All right, let's do a quick video update for you on this Thursday. As expected, rain came through overnight, although rainfall amounts were pretty modest. I mean, we're talking about a couple of tenths of an inch in most of the area overnight. But now the story and our attention turns towards the wind, which isn't bad just yet, but you notice as we look at the wind barbs, that's what these things are off to the west. It is really howling out of northwest Ohio. At Toledo Express Airport, a wind gust of 44 knots, and when you convert that to miles per hour, that's about 50 or so miles per hour. So northwest Ohio already getting hammered with the wind, and of course everything is coming in from this direction. So our wind speeds are going to increase, and fairly dramatically, I think, as we get into the midday and the afternoon. And one thing that will help stir up the atmosphere and get the wind going is some sunshine, which is trying to work in here at about 9 o'clock this morning. We've got a little bit of sun across our region right now. There's a band of clouds right along the front, and then behind the front there's another little dry slot. The actual cold front is this band of clouds right here, right along I-71 in central Ohio. As that front pivots through here in the next couple of hours, the wind will pick up, and then, boy, hang on to your hats for the rest of the day today. Wind advisory for everyone in our viewing area today. It's a high wind warning up towards the lake shore and over into northwest Ohio, where they could see some 55 mile per hour gusts. I think our top gusts around here will be around 45, still enough to blow your trash can into the neighbor's yard and cause some problems like that, and maybe even some isolated power issues later on today. I think it'll be an isolated thing, probably not too widespread, but something to keep in mind. Here's the computer models showing our wind gusts expected for the next couple of, about the next 12 hours, I should say. Notice the steady upward tick here as we get into the midday and the afternoon. So between 9 and 1, we can start to see some gusts to 40 to 45 in some spots. So just be prepared for the wind later on. Now, as far as rain today, we had our batch earlier on. We're going to await, I think, a second batch later on today, but it's not going to be anything all that heavy. The wind is the bigger story today. Here's mid-afternoon today, right around 3 p.m. The high-res model here showing a little bit of moisture around. I think this will be spotty showers here and there. Not everyone will see them. That's what spotty means, after all. And that'll be the case mid to late afternoon. I think we'll tend to dry things out again as we head into the evening, and then another round of showers heading our way tomorrow, especially in the afternoon. All right, we've got you covered today. Jess is in the studio for the rest of the morning and through the hour-long midday show. I'll keep you updated on social media as well, and I'll be in this afternoon and this evening, bringing you fresh radars and wind speeds and everything else you need to know. Have yourself a great Thursday.